Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking into what's going on with Todd Dean, the man featured in LoveCon Revenge, known as the Selfie Scammer. So, where is Todd Dean now? Let's break it all down. Todd Dean is a man who came under fire for alleged romance scams. He's accused of targeting multiple women, sending lots of selfies, video messages, and building trust just to ask for money, often for business ventures or mental wellness projects that some say were never legitimate. Over time, several women have claimed he scammed them out of large sums. He was connected to a business named Sanjara Wellness, which never fully materialized as promised. Todd allegedly took money from women who believed in his entrepreneurial image. When asked, he denied wrongdoing. In late 2023, he filed for bankruptcy, claiming he had no income or assets to cover the claims against him. Where is Todd Dean now? As of now, Todd Dean is living in Nashville, Tennessee. He lists himself as the founder and CEO of a business advisory firm named Todd Dean & Company. He presents himself as a consultant and speaker, focused on entrepreneurship and business growth. Despite the accusations, legal challenges, and civil judgments, he continues to operate under this professional brand. He's also been featured in media, including LoveCon Revenge, as people continue to follow his story. Todd loves hiking, and he spends a lot of time touring nature parks and also going to music concerts. Todd Dean's story shows how someone accused of wrongdoing can shift their image and continue operating in public view. The biggest question is, how much accountability will he face, and will people continue to accept the story he's telling now? What do you think? Does his current role erase what's alleged, or do the past claims weigh too heavy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this update hit a chord, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Where Are They Now stories. Until next time, stay aware and take care.